Okay, so this is your Facebook advert boosting. You're on your page, and then you click on what's on your mind, put in your text, add your hashtags if you have any. Then you can always make use of Swift Trip, hashtag Swift Trip, so that your post, anytime people click on Swift Trip hashtags, you will be found. Then you upload your image, just drag and drop if you're making use of a laptop. When it loads, let's see. I'm having network challenges this morning. Simple image taking time to load. Okay, it's loading. So you click on these three dots right here, and then you add your WhatsApp message. So I believe by now you've already added your business WhatsApp account to your Facebook. Link it up so that you can get messages. You can't use your normal WhatsApp for this. Now people, both irrelevant ones and relevant ones, chat you. You call them all, and then you find the ones that are actually for what you are posting for. Then click on next. I think it's ready to go now. You can just post this, and let's see the next phase, which will be to boost. Most times it takes you directly to where you go boost the post immediately. So the network is really poor. Let me see if I can swap network. Did it go through? This didn't go through. Okay, I didn't intend to make this video long at all. Okay, it has posted. You see, really crazy. Look at it. So we have our posts here already, and we can click on create ad. This post can't be boosted. Maybe it's because I just dropped it not quite long. Let me repost it again. Yeah, I add my WhatsApp button, and then I click on next, post. If it posts properly, I'm not supposed to see it here anymore. Better. Beautiful. So it has taken me straight to, so that was an error based on network challenge. Now it's taking me to where I boost my posts directly. It's still very slow. So okay, automatic. It has already given me an automatic selection that this post would attract messages. So you check your goal. If it's a wrong thing they put there for you, at times you will see call. Click on change and then click to what you want. I want message, that's why I'm leaving it at automatic. My write-up is good. I don't need the suggested write-ups, AI automation creative. I don't need all of this. So I take out these stuffs. Then I go to this. At times they will tick messenger. You don't need messenger at all. This is a very wrong way to get messages from people. You won't get their contact, so it's very bad. Just use WhatsApp. Make sure it's only WhatsApp highlighted. Then you let's see, people you target. I want to target person, so I'm targeting 34 to 55, and I've already placed all this interest, so it's very easy. Click on edit, this edit button, if yours have not already known what you want. So this 25 miles, if you see Nigeria here, you want to make your advert, target it to your direct place, close it, type your on this location. If it's Ebonyi, put Ebonyi. If it's Lagos, put Lagos, just like that. So target the people in your area. Then interest, I use drilling rig, drilling power, so many other things. Okay, founder, CEO, content creators, doctors, politicians, actors. Let me add more. Private equity, CEOs, forex traders, people who love forex. So I'm adding all of this because I use them normal. So on targeting the kind of persons that have, if you on your profile you have maybe CEO, executive officer, then you are likely to see this post I'm posting now. That's what it means. So find the interest of persons you are looking out for, then save your audience. It is saved. I'm not using advantage audience, I'm using people I choose through targeting. Then how long do you want it to run? It should be 4 days now, right? 15th. It should end on the 15th. So that's 3 days. 3 days, 12, 13. Okay, 12, 13, 14, 15. That's fine. Then I'm going to spend maybe 50,000 naira on this post. 50,000 naira on this post. I'm going to be getting up to 36,000 people reached per day, and at least 20 replies. 150 for the 3 days. That's not bad at all. Then I need my way to put money, so I don't want to use bank. I say change, and I'll be using, just click on that change. I believe you saw that change when it gets to where you are adding money. If you've not done this before, you won't even see your card there. So you have to, placement means where you want to place your ads. Do you want to place on Messenger, Facebook, Instagram, wherever they are posting, they should paste it. So you can just leave that turned on. Change the payment method. I want to pay by bank transfer. Yeah, bank transfer. And then let me see, next. Okay, first let me just top up something here. So just put the 150 at once, which I want to spend for these 3 days. So watch out, it would give me the amount I want to pay. Yeah, that is open pay bank. It's taking me to the route where I'm going to make payments. Okay, so this is up, and it's asking me to pay to this number. So just a moment, I'm gonna pause this. Okay, so if payment has been made, you can go back and refresh your page. So I think it should automatically discover it. Let's click refresh. You'll be redirected shortly. So okay, 150 successfully added. So that's for that. If I refresh this page now, it's already added, and I should see it here. But if I refresh, all my settings would maybe scatter off, and I don't want that. So I just click on publish, and then it would say submitting your ad, budget 150,000, and let's see, we go to ad center. Let's go to ad center. Yeah, so from here, by the time we are done, we can view ads to see what it looks like. Just that network is a bit bad. Your ad has been created. When it's done, we can see it properly. So thank you very much. I think it's as easy as that to create your ads.